Selling on Amazon but don't want to be bound to an office or workstation? Try Tool4seller. The setup is easy. Download and install the app from App Store or Google Play. Sign up and connect your Amazon store to Tool4seller and you're set. Get notified when you make a sale, when a customer leaves a review, when you need to restock your inventory, etc. Support for daily, weekly, monthly sales analysis. Tool4seller allows you to take all your cost factors into account to calculate your true profit and giving you a better understanding your Amazon business and how much you really making on Amazon. Use Profit Calculator to estimate how much you will make before you decide to invest on a product and find the best-selling products in your business to maximize your revenue and profit margin. How are your campaigns performing? Is your advertising cost within your budget? Does your ACOS need optimization? Are you getting enough impressions and click for your product? Keep you updated whenever you are hijacked. Allow you to set up repricing strategies against your competitors to win more buy bucks. The above are just some of the benefits of using Tool4seller. What do you have to lose? Download it now and get a 14-day free trial.